In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Military and other similar organizations keep their personnel fit enough. And you know that the sportsmen do take care of their fitness, physical as well as psychological. And they do a lot of net practice as well. They do a lot of net practice as well. We, the civilians, who are either self employed, having some sort of employment, or doing a kind of business, we don't pay much of the attention to our fitness, physical or psychological. We don't do any sort of net practice. We think that it is not needed here. Okay, it's not needed here as much as it is needed there in the military or the military like organizations. It is not as much needed as it is needed there in the field of the sports. I do agree. But still, I think it is needed here as well. The intensity, the depth might not be as big as that of the sports personnel as the military personnel, but still the fitness is needed. The fitness is compulsory here as well, both physical and psychological, and we too need to do certain exercises, certain type of net practice as well. What is it, by the way? And that is going to be the topic of today's discussion. I think that physical fitness is the necessity of each one of us. The physical fitness is the necessity of each one of us, whether regardless of what we are doing and regardless of what we want to do, because the health is a necessity of each and everyone else, physical and psychological both, physical as well as psychological. For physical health, obviously, not only it is necessary for our profession, for a good performance in our profession, rather it is very much necessary whether we are doing something or whether we are not doing something. And what are the principles of the good health? We don't need to go into the detail, but there are few things we can briefly, we can just mention here, we can enlist here. We need to take care of our diet. It is said we are whatever we eat. It is said we are whatever we eat. I don't 100% agree with it, but it has a lot of effect on us. If at all we are eating what is generally healthy and what is healthy for us, what is generally healthy, usually people do know. What is healthy for us, keeping in view our own health, we need to adjust the food, and keeping in view our health as well as certain other factors, availability, affordability, etc., etc. But health is, there are certain things which are not expensive but are very good for the health. There are certain other things which are quite expensive and are fashionable as well, like burger, pizza, etc. But this is something really which is bad for the health. We need to take care of our sleep as well. We need to sleep some 7 to 8 hours. We need to have a sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Now with the arrival of the smartphone and the social media, and people are found busy on the social media even at the time of the sleep. People sleep too late, which is quite bad, particularly the younger folks, particularly the youth. We should avoid doing this thing actually. We should avoid doing this thing. And it is the diet and it is the sleep we have talked about. I think positive thinking is very, very necessary. It is very important to be a positive thinker. Otherwise, without a positive thinking, I think we cannot maintain our good health as well. Our psychological and physical health will get deteriorated. We are going to spoil our physical or psychological health if at all we are not thinking positive. If at all we are found thinking negative, our health is going to be spoiled. We cannot maintain good health in the absence of positive thinking. So then there are certain other things as well. Generally, physical health, what is considered, it is the diet and it is the sleep and it is the exercises. Diet, sleep, exercises. We need to involve ourselves in one or the other type of the physical exercises. We need to involve ourselves in one or the other type of the physical exercises. It could be a walk, it could be anything else, whatever suits us. Three basic major thing: diet, sleep, exercise. Then there is a software type things. This is, we might consider it a hardware, and then there is a software. First of all, we need to be present minded. We should not be absent minded, because being absent minded might cause accidents. Being absent minded might cause accidents for which we might have to pay dearly. And we make mistakes, sometimes grave mistakes, if at all we are not present minded. We cannot give good performance at all if at all we don't have made a habit of staying wherever we are. If at all we remain preoccupied, if at all we remain absent minded. On the one hand, there are plenty of chances that a sort of accident might occur even if we are on foot. An accident might occur and we might make mistakes for which we do have to regret and repent later on. We cannot give good performance at all if at all we remain absent minded, if at all we remain preoccupied. For a good performance, this is not the only necessity. Being present minded, being not absent minded, being not preoccupied is not the only thing which is needed, but at least it is one of the vital things, and it is the first thing which is needed. It is the first thing, it is one of the vital things which we do need if at all we want to give good performance. This is not the only thing which is needed, but this is one of the vital things. This is one of the very necessary, this is one of the essential things. And we need to be very much positive. Positive as well as practical, somewhat practical as well. Positivity provides us energy. Positivity keeps us active. Positivity keeps us happy. Positivity is very, very, very necessary, one of the essentials. But practicability, being somewhat practical, while interacting with the people, while dealing with the people, we need to become somewhat practical as well. We need to become somewhat realistic as well. positivity, practicability, we need to develop the self discipline. What we need to do is we need to do the self discipline, self control. We need to keep it okay. This is also one of the essentials, one of the very much essentials. Being self disciplined, it is like having a control system. Our control system must be okay, must be okay, must be okay. Otherwise, we are we can never ever live honorably. We can never ever live successfully. We can never ever live happily. We might be found doing the things which which are quite dangerous, which are quite harmful for us, despite knowing we will be found indulging in those things. Why? Because it is because we lack the self control and self discipline. On the other hand, we will fail to do the things which are necessary, and we do know these things are necessary, we do know these things are essential, but we find ourselves unable to do that. Why? Because we don't have a control over ourselves. So self discipline and self control is also one of the necessary, one of the extremely necessary things. So this is all about the fitness. These are the most important thing as far the fitness is concerned. I think it is enough for today. It is enough for today's talks. Briefly revising, first of all, we must be taking care of our diet. We must be doing with eating we whatever is necessary, and we must be avoiding what is useless or what is harmful. We should be avoiding whatever is harmful, and we should be found consuming whatever is necessary. And there are enough number of things which are necessary and which are cheap, and there are enough number of things which are fashionable, which are expensive, but which are very bad for the health. We must keep this thing in mind. And then come our sleep. We must be able to provide ourselves with the 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Then we must become habitual. We must develop the routine of doing the physical exercises sensibly, regularly, moderately, sensibly, regularly. Then then there is another part. This part is that we must remain present minded. We must not be preoccupied, we must not be absent minded, because it might cause accidents on the one hand. It might we might be doing the grave mistakes. Why? Because we were absent minded, we were preoccupied, and we cannot give good performance unless and until we are present minded. Although this is not the only thing which is required for the good performance, but this is one of the essentials, and this is one of the basics, and this is maybe the first one. And then it is a positive thinking. Nobody can stay happy, nobody can be stay healthy, nobody can be stay productive unless and until she is positive enough as far the thinking is concerned. But along with the positive thinking, we must remain somewhat practical as well. We must remain somewhat realistic while interacting, while dealing with the people. Otherwise, we will be cheated and looted. We will be manipulated and exploited. Last but not the least, we must develop a very good control system. We must develop our self-discipline and self-control, because this is one of the extremely necessary things. There are other things as well, but I have restricted my today's talk about one of the things which are essential. Thank you. Jazakallah.